In the previous video, I introduced you to the idea of a standing wave. A standing wave results when we have interference between a right propagating wave and a left propagating wave. When the right propagating wave and the left propagating wave overlap and interfere with each other, they combine to make what's called a standing wave. And in a standing wave pattern, the bumps which make up the wave don't seem to propagate. Rather, if you look at it, you just see those bumps going up and down in place. In this video, we're going to explore standing waves a little bit more. This wave machine uses shorter rods than the wave machine I used for the earlier videos. And because of that, waves propagate on this wave machine a lot faster. So what I'm going to do is just start by shaking this wave machine so as to set up a standing wave pattern. Okay, so notice the standing wave pattern. It's just one bump going up and down. So for now, let's call this a one bump standing wave pattern. And notice the frequency of this standing wave. Tick, 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 tick. Now I'm going to try to produce a two bump standing wave pattern on the same wave machine. Okay, so I hope you can see two bumps there with a node or a point that's not moving in the middle. And notice the frequency, tick, 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 tick. I hope you notice that the frequency of the two bump standing wave pattern is greater than the frequency of the one bump standing wave pattern. Now I'm going to go to three bumps. And notice the frequency, tick, 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 tick. So notice the frequency of the three bump standing wave pattern. The frequency is higher than the two bump standing wave pattern. Now let me go to four. Okay, hear the frequency, tick, 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 tick. So the frequency of the four bump pattern is higher than the frequency of the three bump pattern. Now let me see if I can find five. Tick, 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 tick. Okay, so the five bump pattern has a higher frequency than the four bump pattern. And let me just do one more, six. Okay, tick, 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 tick. Okay, so the frequency of the six bump pattern is higher still than the frequency of the five bump pattern. Now I'm going to just try and do all of these in one shot. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. So I hope I've convinced you here that the frequency of a standing wave pattern increases with the number of bumps in the pattern, provided that the length of the overall pattern stays the same. Why is that? We're going to discuss that in the next video.